Once the image is loaded, duplicate the background by simply dragging it to the new layer. Rename the background as image. Select the lasso tool. You can choose any lasso you want and start selecting your image. Make sure to select it very precisely. Move a mouse very close to the subject. You need more practice to draw this selection line precisely. So as long as you're being comfortable with the lasso tool, keep practicing it. Once you're done with the selection, click the quick marks layer button below. This will add a quick mask layer to our background copy, or which is image by the file name. Hide the layer by clicking its eye icon over there. Select the background layer. Hold down Ctrl and select quick mask. This will bring back the selection on your subject. Hold down Shift key and select the background images which you want to remove Make sure you are selecting it on a background, not on an image copy or background copy. Similarly, select all the unwanted objects from your background. Once you're done selecting all your background images which you want to disappear from your background, click on Edit, Fill, click this down arrow and choose Content Aware and click OK. Let it be render for a couple of seconds. Perfect. Now you can see the background is removed, and if there is any patches around here, you can simply select it and you can use the same method to remove it. Edit, Fill, Content Aware and then click OK. Now we have a clear background, so we can bring up our original image to its front to see how it looks. Click this icon to unhide the image. Here we go, the image without the background. You can further zoom on it, edit, use some color balance in here, zoom on it, edit the details. If you need to change some colorings here, you can change the color. If you want to edit, if you want to erase some other parts, you can simply go ahead and erase the subject. Once you've done this editing in your Photoshop, save the image as PDF or PNG and then come back to your Lightroom to adjust the lights.